Hello guys, my name is Arpit Khurana, co-founder NSTM India. We're a leading training company offering courses in marketing and tech space. You can check us out here. Today I'll show you 4 SEO hacks using web scraping. These are amazing hacks. I'm sure you'll love them. I bet you never thought about using web scraping in this way. Watch the video till the end. I'll be using Octoparse for this video. You must download Octoparse if you want to perform these hacks. The link is in the description. Let's begin the video. Hack number 1, scrape authors' data for guest blogging. So you need guest bloggers for your blog. All you need to do is find the best blog in your niche. I'm sure a lot of guest bloggers will be contributing as they need exposure. Like if you are in the SEO niche, one of the best blogs is Moz, and as you can see, they have so many guest bloggers contributing here. You will easily find their contact information here. You can scrape all of them using Octoparse and then do an email outreach inviting these authors to contribute in your blog. You should offer them something in return though. This hack could be used for lead generation if these authors are your target audience. Let me quickly show you how you can scrape them from Octoparse. Once you've downloaded and created your account on Octoparse, hover on New and click on Advanced Mode. Enter the website you want to scrape. Like for this video, I will put www.moz.com/blog. Hit save. Click on the author's name and then click on select all. If it doesn't scrape all of them, then click on more author's name. That's how you need to train it. Like you can see now, it has selected all 14 authors. Then click on extract the URL of selected element. Then click on paginate to scrape more pages. Then click on the next page button. Hit confirm. You can see it is now on the second page of the blog and it has scraped all 14 of the authors here. That's all for this task. Hit run. Then run the task on this device. You will see a new window will pop up and it will start scraping. Once you're done, click on stop run. Export the data. Remove duplicates as the same author has contributed multiple times. Save the Excel file and then open it. You can see the author's link on which we can find their contact information. So let's make another task in Octoparse to scrape their contact information. Hover on New, then select Advanced Mode. Click on Import from File. Select the Excel file we just saved with author's link. Select Sheet 1, then select column A1 and hit Save. Now keep selecting all that you want. Since I want the entire data in the table, I will click on the table body. Select as much data as available. You can use this to personalize the email when you do the outreach campaign. Then click on extract data. Let's go on another author's page to check if this is working fine. From the loop URL step, click on the list icon and then select any other link. Then click on go to the web page step. Now we can see it has extracted everything we wanted. So click on run, then run the task on your device. Now you can see it has started scraping. Once you have enough data, you can stop the run, export data, and this is how your Excel file will look like. Hack number 2, scrape commenters to promote your content. You can scrape people who have commented on a blog that is similar to your topic. Then you can do an email outreach to promote your content. If your content is truly amazing, you can gain blog subscribers with this hack. Like if I have written a blog about, let's say, on-page SEO, I will search a blog on the same topic on Google. Like here I see Backlinko ranking on the keyword on-page SEO. Let's open the blog, get down to the comment section. Now we can see most of these people who have commented have linked to their website. The link is in their name. So what we can do is we can scrape their name and their website from this page. Then we can get their contact details from their website, all on automation. It's pretty simple to do. Let's first use Octoparse to scrape their website. So get into the advanced mode and paste the link of the blog from where you want to scrape the commenters. Then click on save. Let's scroll to the bottom of the blog. Click on the name of the commenters and then click on select all. You will see Octoparse is smart enough to extract all commenters with their websites. Like we have found 100 here. Then click on extract both text and the URL of the selected element. That's all. Just hit run the task on your device. You will see it working in the new window. Once finished, click on export data, save the Excel file, and then open the file. So now we have their websites. To get their contact details, we will use another tool called Phantom Buster. I've linked to it through my blog, which is in the description. Just give it a list of websites and it will try to find and scrape emails, Facebook URLs, Instagram URLs, LinkedIn URLs, phone numbers, Twitter URLs, and YouTube URLs. You can use any one Phantom for free. The documentation is here on how to use it. It's pretty simple to do. Hack number 3, improve CTR. Now this one is kind of a black hat. I just want to put this idea across, not necessarily recommending you to do this. So CTR is an important ranking factor for Google. What if we manipulate it? We can easily create a web scraping bot which can put your target keyword on Google and then click on your website, even if it is on the second page. Then the bot will spend some time, visit multiple pages on your website so it doesn't affect your bounce rate negatively. Imagine you schedule your bot to do this many times throughout the day with proxy IP rotation so you don't raise any red flags. Remember when Rand Fishkin, the Wizard of Moz, conducted this experiment wherein he told his Twitter followers to write a certain query on Google and then click on a website that ranks on the second page? After his followers did that, the website started ranking on the first page. We are using the same logic here. Instead of people, we can use bots. Let me know in the comments section what you think about this hack. If somebody tries this, please let me know how it turned out for you. If you see any flaws in the hack, would love to discuss that. Just put it in the comments. Hack number 4, scrape Q&A sites for content ideas and backlinks. We can easily scrape question answer sites or forums like Quora, Reddit, Stack Overflow for generating content ideas. When you create a content piece, it is necessary to check such sites so you know what queries people have regarding the topic you want to cover. You should try to answer as many questions as possible through your content. Once your content is ready, answer these questions on these platforms and link back to your content piece. Let me quickly show you how to scrape Quora through Octoparse. Hover on New, then select Advanced Mode. Enter site as www.quora.com, hit Save. We need to make it login first, so click on the email field, then click on the enter text and put your email, hit confirm. Then select the password field, then click on enter text, put in your password, hit confirm. Then click on login button and select click button. Then add a step, open page. Now we want to add the page here that we want to scrape. So head on to Quora, put in your keywords in the search bar. Like my niche is AI for marketing, so I will put in that. On this page, Quora will show you all the questions people have asked regarding this topic. We will copy the link of this page, go back to Octoparse, get into the action settings of the step, go to web page and paste the URL. Then get into after loading page, check scroll down the page after it is loaded. Then select to the bottom of the page. Under repeat, I will put 200. If there are too many questions on the page, you could increase the number. Under wait time, I will select 3 seconds and hit OK. Then click on Auto Detect Web Page Data. You will see it has scraped some fields, but we only need the first 2 columns, so I will delete the rest. You will see it has automatically added a page scroll. Click on Edit. Under Repeat, put 200 and increase the wait time to 3 seconds. Hit Confirm. Uncheck, click on Load More button because there is no Load More button. Then click on Create Workflow. That's all. Now we will click on Run. Then run the task on your device. You will see it has started doing its job. I'll fast forward the video. When the job was done, I was able to scrape all questions with links regarding my topic. That'll be all for this video. By the way, Octoparse is coming up with their Black Friday sale starting from 16th November, offering massive discounts. In case you're looking to buy the premium version, look out for it. If you learned something new today, make sure you smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.